Hey, what's going on, guys? Before I show you the absolutely amazing new bike, I have to tell you, if you don't know yet, our 2003 Springer Softail Heritage Classic is live on a giveaway right now on www.cyclefanatics.com. And the reason why I'm telling you guys again is because we're getting pretty close to the end. And right now, if you head on over, I'm actually giving double entries. So if you got some already, get some more. Or if you haven't got your entries yet, make sure you head on over to www.cyclefanatics.com. Get yourself entered to win. We'll be giving this bike away Halloween Day, October 31st. Double entries are live right now. That is a absolutely gorgeous bike. It is going to be leaving here in several weeks, and I'll tell you, I think I'm going to be a little sad because it is a absolutely gorgeous bike. But it is what it is. One of you lucky winners are going to get that beautiful bike. So are you guys ready to see what I got? I got it right here. It's uncovered, and let me show it to you guys. And then I'll go over the reasoning why I got this bike. But I think it is absolutely amazing. 2024 BMW K1600B for Bagger in the building. 1600 cc's inline, 6-cylinder, 160 horsepower, 137 foot-pounds of torque, and it is absolutely loaded to the gills with features, electronics, and all of that good stuff. I'm not going to be going over the entire bike. I actually picked it up way up in New York State, probably about 150 miles away. And I did a ride video, basically like a first ride video back from the dealer. So that is going to be coming up next, right after this video. But here's the bike again. Let me give you my explanation why I got this. There's a bunch of reasons. I'm going to go over a lot of the riding and technical reasoning in the next video, but the main two of the main reasons why I got this bike, three reasons, let's say three main reasons. Number one, it is an absolutely amazing bike. I rode this bike in Americade. If you guys remember, or if you've seen it, or if you haven't seen it, when we went to Americade this year, mind you, my friend Glenn has one. He's already on his second one. And when we were up in Americade, we were actually doing all demo rides the entire day. And I went over to BMW and I said, I got to just take this thing out for a spin. I know Glenn had it for a couple years. We actually did a lot of racing with him, like with Mad Max against his K1600, and I couldn't even keep up, and my bike was like almost 150 horsepower. I know of the bike, but I never ridden one until I got to Americade in Lake George, and I rode the silver one. I'll show you guys a little clips here of that ride. How it is, it's got that big inline 6-cylinder, 160 horsepower, and crap load of amounts of torque. And this is BMW's Bagger. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's smooth, it's so light, it feels so light and nimble. Oh man, this thing feels so good. Holy Toledo's, man, that thing's crazy. Wow, the damn front tire popped up. It feels like a car motor. I'm not even kidding. So as you guys just seen in the video, the bike is crazy fast, the handles, the braking, everything. But I'll go over that, like I said, in the next video. But from that test ride, I'm telling you, from that test ride, I absolutely fell in love with the bike. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is when I started this channel, that's why I named it Cycle Fanatics. Not like any specific brand fanatics, but I named it Cycle Fanatics because me personally, you guys know that have been watching me for a long time, I am a motorcycle enthusiast first and foremost. I love anything on two wheels. Like I'll ride a moped, I'll ride a dirt bike, sport bike, bagger, ADV bike, anything. I love riding. And I'm sure probably most of you are like me. So that's why I named it Cycle Fanatics. And when the channel started, we really were doing ride videos, Harley Davidson, particularly ride videos. And that's how the channel kind of took off. And it's great. I love Harley. I've been riding Harley Davidsons for almost 30 years. I've owned probably like 12 of them. You know, Harley Davidson's in my blood. I just absolutely love the culture, the people. But when I started this channel, I really wanted to kind of put any kind of bikes on the channel. I realized that I tried to put sport bikes on the channel a couple years ago and it didn't work. And for obvious reasons, probably age demographic didn't help. I'm 53 right now. And obviously my core audience, which is you guys, are basically anywhere from 30s to in the 70s. So that core demographic, really what I have now as far as my subscribers and my viewers are really kind of not into the sport bike scene, the fast riding. And I really don't want to be doing that as well at 53 years old. I don't want to be losing my license. And I realize that, you know, doing that stuff, that's just not me now. So that's why I actually made a separate channel, a sport bike channel, keeping like the bagger content on this channel. But like I said before, I named it Cycle Fanatics for a reason because I love all motorcycles. And my plan, my vision was to kind of put a bunch of different motorcycles on the channel to kind of give everybody an idea, right? How this one rides, how that one rides, and so forth. So that's why I got this, is because what I want to do in the future, in the foreseeable soon future, hopefully, I want to be able to put, say, this bike, right, which we have now for the channel. The next Harley I'm waiting on is, I'm waiting on the colors for the 2026 Road Glide CVO models. So once we see the colors, I think they should be announced probably in January. Once we see the colors, I'll figure out what I'm going to do as far as putting the next Harley Davidson onto the channel. Whether it's going to be a Road Glide CVO, it could be a Road King, it could be a Lowrider ST. I'm not really sure yet. If 2025 just started, if it was January, February, then I would buy something in this year. But we're so close to the new 2026 models coming out. I don't want to get something from 2025 yet until, you know, we got only 3 more months left and then the new models are going to be coming out. So that's why I want to wait, and that's why I have been waiting. That's the second reason why I wanted to put this bike on the channel, because I want to broaden my audience. I don't want to be so niche down only to one manufacturer, even though obviously I love Harley Davidson, but I want to grow my channel. I want to expand my audience, and the only way I can do that is to put other motorcycles in the same category or similar categories on the channel, so I could have a larger audience, a larger following, hopefully, again, potentially. This is all, like everybody that's on YouTube, it's all trial and error. Like I've already tried a bunch of things in the almost whatever, 5.5 years I've been on YouTube, over 600 videos on YouTube. You know, we all try different things and we have to see what works and what doesn't. So that's what I'm going to be trying next for the next couple months. And we have this bike on the channel. We'll put another, you know, Harley Davidson on the channel. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe we'll put a Indian on the channel. Maybe we'll put a Goldwing on the channel. I just want to broaden my viewership, try to expand the genre, expand the audience to get more views, and so forth. So I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from. Not to mention, like I said, it's just an amazing, absolutely amazing bike. I'm not going to go over the bike in this video. I'm going to have so many videos on this bike. Just stay tuned for the second video, because that's when I ride it 150 miles home, and you know, we were ripping on it. And then the third reason why I got this bike, I will tell you, because you're not even going to believe it. This thing is a 2024 leftover. Okay, it's a 2024 leftover, brand new. Only had, I think it had like 2 miles on it. Brand new, showroom floor, 2024. They MSRP for about almost $28,000, $6,000 off of this bike. So when I went online, and then I seen they were giving the discount. Excuse me, thought I had a sneeze. I do. Sorry. But if you guys go onto the BMW website, you guys could see that basically all of their 2024 leftover brand new models are discounted $5,000. Then they gave me an extra $1,000 off, so $6,000 off of this bike. It brought it down to $21,000 and change. Did you just hear that? $21,000 and change. Or they give you the discount, or they give you 0% financing, whatever you want to do. Which I could not pass up that deal, that opportunity, for basically $21,000 and change to put this absolutely sick bike, the fastest bagger in its category, the fastest. There's no other bagger that is faster than this bike. And like I said, trust me, go back previous years when I raced Glenn with Mad Max with the 128 carbon wheels, had like 150 horsepower, 150 foot-pounds of torque, and I couldn't even keep up with him. This thing is so fast. There's so many good things I want to talk about this bike, but you're just going to have to wait until the next video and the videos after that. So I'll give you just like a quick walk around, but we're going to do a deep dive onto the bike. I mean, there's just so many, like I said, just awesome and cool things about this bike, like single-sided swing arm. Like I said, I don't want to, it's already going to be a long video, so I don't want to really do a deep dive on it, but it's just an amazing bike. Rides really, really nice. So I can't wait to, you know, do a lot of awesome ride videos with the guys, and to some amazing places on this thing. And just so you guys know, we are going to be doing a whole bunch of upgrades. BT Moto was already nice enough for hooking me up with the flash for the K1600B. You know we don't wait. So I've had the BT Moto flash on several BMWs, and it just they just really do an amazing job. So as far as what other upgrades I'm going to do to it, I'm not too sure yet. I think I have a plan, I have an idea. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next videos. I hope you guys like the bike on the channel. Give it a shot. Watch the videos, because I will tell you, this bike is absolutely an insane weapon. This bike is a weapon. 740 pounds. inline 6-cylinder. That's why you see the 6 there. Inline 6-cylinder, 740 pounds, 160 horsepower, 137 foot-pounds of torque. It's an absolute weapon. It's an absolute weapon. So there's the one bike for the channel. Just waiting on the colors to come out for the new CVOs, and then we'll see what else we're gonna put on the channel. Like I said, what I want to do, what I plan on having, my dream scenario would be to have this bike, the Goldwing, the Indian Dark Horse 112, and a CVO Road Glide. That's what would be, that would be my dream lineup to have in the garage. So this way we could ride all of them, do comparisons on all of them, like long-term comparisons, and tell you guys, you know, what I think, and have, like I said, have content for a larger viewership, a larger following, if that makes sense. I hope this makes sense. You know, because I think, like I said, doing this for already past 5.5 years, that's why I haven't really put out a lot of videos this year, because I really got a little burnt out. Not to mention, I've been doing some projects around the house. The kids were home from college during the summer, spent a lot of time with them. But probably the main reason, because I did over 600 videos this past little over 5 years, and I think I got a little burnt out. But I'm back in that stage right now, back in that mindset where I'm going to kick it into 6th gear, and we're really going to start pulling hard again. You know, like I have been. I think I needed that kind of break. I think I needed that kind of reset. But yeah, you know, and another thing, like I said, I've been like every single year for the past 5-6 years. We did so many trip videos, right, that I'm literally away like 4 months out of the year away from my house. So that kind of, you know, that kind of burnt me out too. You know, just last year, only one trip last year was 8,000 miles. That was 3 weeks from New Jersey to Oregon, California, and back. And that was only one trip. So, you know, there's a lot of time away from home. And I think these past couple months, I really needed it. I really needed the recharge. And yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling better. And I think we're gonna put out some better content, being that I am recharged and kind of got my motivation back. So there's the bike, guys. 2024 BMW K1600B. Don't forget, guys, make sure you head on over to the website. Double entries are live now. 2003 Springer Heritage Classic. Excuse me. This thing is friggin' beautiful. And I honestly cannot wait to call the new owner on Halloween Day so I could give that bike away to him. And yeah, and that's it. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think about the bike. Stay tuned for all the next videos, because we're going to have a bunch of upgrade videos. BT Moto Tune, I'm going to show you guys how to install it on this bike. And then we're going to do a lot of trip videos, and also stay tuned for the first ride video where I thrashed the bike. All right, guys, see you guys later. Really appreciate it. And we're just there. We're almost there, 150,000 subscribers. Love you guys. Thank you.